What is your full name?
My full name is John Michael Smith.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy today.
Which city are you from?
I am from Mumbai.
What is your age?
I am 25 years old.
What is your occupation?
I work as a teacher.
Do you enjoy eating ice cream?
Yes, I really enjoy eating ice cream.
What is your favorite pastime?
My favorite pastime is reading books.
What is your place of residence?
I live in New York City.
Do you enjoy eating pizza?
Yes, I enjoy eating pizza.
What type of food do you prefer?
I prefer Italian food.
Are you single or married?
I am single.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What is your favorite film?
My favorite film is Inception.
Do you know how to drive a car?
Yes, I know how to drive a car.
Are you interested in sports?
Yes, I am interested in sports.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I like listening to music.
What kind of job do you have?
I am a software engineer.
Are you able to swim?
Yes, I am able to swim.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the elephant.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Which season do you prefer?
I prefer the spring season.
What subject do you like the most?
I like history the most.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
What drink do you prefer?
I prefer drinking tea.
Do you own a car?
No, I do not own a car.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
What fruit do you like the most?
I like mangoes the most.
Do you enjoy eating chocolate?
Yes, I enjoy eating chocolate.
What sport do you like the most?
I like playing tennis the most.